Okay guys, so today we're going to make pesto and learn a little bit about basil. These are my basil plants, and see, basil. So they're a little crowded, but sometimes when I don't feel well, I just kind of like pour too many seeds. But I'm going to show you the best way to take care of basil as a step to making my pesto. Now see this right here, right there? The flower is starting to come. And you don't want that, because if the flower comes, then it's going to start making seeds and it's not going to give you basil anymore. But it's pretty easy to keep it growing if you take it and you cut it right down here. And now these two will shoot off and make their own branches. Over here, some oregano, and you pretty much cut it the same way down to where it splits. This one's starting to flower. I'm gonna let it because it's gonna be pretty. So this is parsley. So the cool thing about parsley is I can snag it like this, cut it like this, and in a couple weeks I'll have more parsley about this size. Okay, we're going to talk more about basil for a second because we're making a pesto. From our CSA, I just picked up this lovely purple basil. I wanted to show you. I'm going to move the bowl. So, propagating basil is really easy. See right here, these, I think I tried to show you outside too, but if these, let's see the video, there's my fingers. Okay. So if I cut it right here and pick off these basil leaves up here, and it's important to cut it right there. Now if you cut it right there, these will grow and make two individual branches and grow, and it'll continue to grow and become bushier. I'm very excited that they got the purple CSA, the purple basil in my CSA. People really seem to like my homemade basil a lot, and after I'm just pinching off the leaves. So store-made basil seems to have pieces that they blend it in a blender and it's this big goo. Now that pesto's good for some things. Green onion tops, and I'm just going to slice them up like that, put them in there, and you just chop everything up and put it in there. I have this little bunch of parsley. I'm going to take some oregano. Oregano is pretty cool. It has antiviral properties, I believe. You know, and the basil actually has a lot of things that are good for you in it too. I'm gathering this up like in a little bouquet. This is a basil leaf. Now I'm gonna wrap it in this basil leaf, and I'm gonna take one of these the purple leaf. I'm gonna wrap it in here. Now that's just an easy way to pick up my kitchen scissors and just chop them a little bit. I just wanted to show you that. It just smells amazing. I think if you put this in the food processor, when this is in the food processor, you miss out on smelling all these beautiful smells. Just look how amazing that looks.